Hey, are you between the age 50 to 75 years old? Do you have headache, chest ache, fatigue, dizziness, and high cholesterol levels? Congratulations, you could be having heart attack right now.
This could be you. Do you know about millions of people died due to heart attack? The good news is this could be avoided and the risk reduced. For this, we introduce the heart attack predictor. Namaste. I am Arjun S Pai. For this Capstone project, I am the project leader. I assigned the roles for everyone, conducted meetings, and compiled the logbook. Our project, Heart Attack Predictor, is a user-friendly platform based on machine learning model that analyzes key indicators such as gender, cholesterol level, etc. Based on these inputs, our app provides a risk assessment.
Namaste, I'm Arnav Premchand, the designer, data expert, prototype builder and tester, and video producer of this project. I used Figma to design the user interface and scikit learning module in Python to develop the linear regression model, and later used tkinter module in Python to integrate the user interface with the backend model.
I'm Akash Roy, the information researcher and data expert of this project. I found the data sets from Kaggle and found patterns in the data.
So this is the app that we have developed, Heart Attack Predictor. Here you can see the accuracy performance overview, where we have mentioned the accuracy and some other additional information about the app. And here you can enter the details from a recent blood test report. And once you click here on submit, you automatically get the result. And this is the code that we used to develop the project.
As a team, we learned so much during this journey, not just about AI, but also about the real world challenges faced by individuals and healthcare providers.
We are confident that Heart Attack Predictor can bridge the gap between technology and healthcare, offering a proactive tool to combat one of the most critical health issues of our time.
We envision a future where everyone has access to advanced tools that prioritize health and wellness.
Heart Attack Predictor is just the beginning. We are committed to continuously improving it with user feedback and advancing in AI technology. Thank you.